What is the benefit for you calculating your right solar system size? A lot of people have gone for solar installation and they ask them to go for solar consultation, calculating the amount of solar energy they need in their house. So now what are you going to benefit in calculating the right solar size? In this video, I'm going to be mentioning 5 benefits you are going to benefit for calculating the right solar system size for your home. Someone once asked me, what are the benefits you are going to benefit for calculating the right solar system for your home? Then that come up with this idea to create 5 benefits you are going to benefit from calculating the right solar system in your home. Starting from 1, to avoid overspending. A lot of you who do not calculate solar system overspend. Maybe you are giving so many panels on the roof or so big inverter at home, believing that the more you have, the more the light you are generating. You are still also losing money. If there are so many in your house or too oversized system in your house that can carry excess work, you are losing money. Why? It's something that you should have paid and still enjoying light. You are now spending so much money on solar system. Calculating your solar system will allow you to know the exact amount and the exact price you need to get in your house. The next is to avoid undersizing your system. People that do not calculate their system are giving undersized system that you get that cannot carry all what you want in your house. Maybe you say you need AC and fridge and pressing iron, but now the system cannot even carry your pressing iron, not to talk of joining your fridge and your AC together. It will kill it off so fast, and you will not know that it's the undersizing because you believe your system should carry everything, and maybe you will still go and buy extra system, still cause overspending in the first place. Then you should, if you have calculated your solar system, you will not get an undersized system in the first place. To extend battery life, if you calculate your system, you will know amount of battery and time your house will receive light, and they will know the amount of battery you will need in your house. And if you did not get all of that, it's just like you want to just intentionally cause the battery so much suffering. So if you calculate your right solar system size, your battery will not suffer a lot and it will carry everything at your house perfectly as if you are using NEPA light with no problem. But if you do not calculate it, you are going to suffer a lot. Like you are going to give in a weaker battery or a smaller battery. That's why most people battery did not just die because of the battery is not good or because the company that produces it is bad, but because of they did not calculate the right solar size and the battery is now overloading, taking so much work it should not have taken. Then we'll move to the fourth benefit: knowing the exact solar system power your house can carry. Knowing the exact power system your house can carry will really help you, because when you know the exact power system your house can carry, you know that you need to carry only fridge, your pressing iron, you do not need to on freezer. But without you knowing it, you can go and plug or overplug things which will make your system to die so fast. Because some people did not know this, the installer did a good job for them, but because they did not know what their system can power, they will go and overplug things and it will kill their system, making the system to be making noise. So that is why that is one of the benefits you get from calculating the right solar system size. To the fifth part: planning future system properly. A lot of people go for solar installation, get a system. So now, if you know that your system cannot carry everything in your house, then you will now plan the amount of system you will need in the future, so that when you have more money, you will add extra to it. So because a lot of people did not calculate the right solar system or they did not go for solar consultation, then they did not know what to upgrade next time. Then if you did not know what to upgrade next time, then how will you know the amount of system to add join it? That's why a lot of people still get stuck, and or they will now redo another solar installation looking as if they restart another type. So if they have gone for solar consultation in the first place, then they will not have faced this problem. So now, if you benefit anything from this video, please, you can like or subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be going deep in other parts in solar installation, like calculating how to calculate it and other things you are going to learn about solar installation, so that you will not get scammed or a lot of people will not cheat you. But remember, solar installation is not all about having a system in your house and powering your house. It's about investment. If your solar system is not benefiting you or is not reducing costs for you yearly or monthly, then you are with the wrong solar system size. So you need to change. See you till next time.